All right, this one's called Cops Sues Commissioner for Promotion. A civil lawsuit has been filed against Commissioner of Police Michael Matthews by a member of the Royal Virgin Islands Police Force, who is, among other things, upset that he was not promoted to the rank of sergeant. The claim was filed on January 29th last month by a local law firm on behalf of their client, Officer Nicholas Tranquil, or interesting surname, who is seeking damages, costs, and any further relief. According to court documents, Tranquil believes it was unreasonable and irrational for the police commissioner not to promote him, although he has been successful in the police promotion exam since 2017, 3 years ago. The documents also indicate that the officer in question was appointed to act as a police sergeant on 11 occasions between 2011 to 2019, and that officer had a legitimate expectation to be promoted to the rank of sergeant. All right, and the article. So you just have an aggrieved officer who felt that he was passed over promotion, and despite his claims that he really put in the work and should have been should have been given a position. No, we don't know the whole story. I mean, I've heard, but the situation is not uncommon because there are plenty of people in organizations or place of employment who are qualifications, who are put in work, but due to bias and incompetence of the higher ups, they basically said, "Nah, we're just going to keep you right where you are, regardless of how much you really put in." And that does happen, and I'm not surprised. And yeah, so this is nothing new, but all I can say is that it's if this is true, I mean we don't know the whole story. I mean I'm sure the commissioner will basically tell a very different story. If his side is hurt, but I don't know if it's going to go through. I mean if it's can be proven that he had failed, he had applied for this promotion or whatever, or that there was some clause that stated that he had to be promoted after work experience and that was denied. Yeah, he might have something, but it's just that it's going to be but again, I could be wrong in this, but the likelihood of this 50-50 because remember the commissioner might have the saying that okay, yeah, we're considering, but oh, we had more qualified candidates or whatever, or whatever, or maybe there's some other stuff about this guy that they prevent him from promoted. We don't know the whole story, but from that perspective, it's not uncommon. I mean, it's unfair, I mean, it's bullshit, but it's not uncommon. But we'll see what it turns out. So, all my people in British Virgin Islands, if you're listening to this, love to hear your feedback and you can give more perspective. So, this is for State of Jamaica and the Caribbean. Check out my other YouTube pages, Miles Gusson Farron and Miles Productions. I end this recording.